My name is Maria. I am an old woman. I am 60 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet village. The village has green trees and a blue sky. I have one son. His name is Peter. Peter is a good boy. Peter is 25 years old. For many years, Peter lives with me. We cook together. We eat together. We talk together. We are happy. Peter has dark hair. Peter has kind eyes. He works in a small shop in the village. Every morning he says, "Good morning, Mother." I say, "Good morning, Peter." We drink tea. We eat bread. One day, Peter comes home. He looks serious. He sits at the table. He says, "Mother, I have news. I found a new job. The job is in the big city." I look at him. I feel worried. I say, "The big city is far. Will you leave?" Peter says, "Yes, Mother, I must go. The job is good. I can earn more money." I feel sad, but I say, "I understand. Go if you must." Peter packs his bag. He puts clothes in the bag. He puts books in the bag. He hugs me. He says, "I will write letters. I will come back to visit." I hug him. I say, "Be careful, my son." Peter leaves on a bus. The bus is big and gray. I stand at the door. I wave my hand. Peter waves too. The bus goes away. The road becomes empty. Now I am alone in the house. The house feels quiet. No voice, no steps, no laugh. I walk from room to room. The kitchen is empty. The table has one chair now. The living room is quiet. The bedroom is quiet. At night, I cook simple food. I eat alone. The food tastes the same, but I feel empty inside. Days pass. Every morning, I wake up. The sun comes through the window. Birds sing outside. I make tea. I sit alone. I look at Peter's empty chair. I clean the house. I sweep the floor. I wash the cups. The work is the same, but no one talks to me. In the afternoon, I go to the garden. The garden has red flowers and yellow flowers. I water the flowers. I touch the leaves. The leaves are soft. Sometimes I walk to the river. The river water moves slowly. Fish swim. I sit on a stone. I think of Peter. 1 week later, a letter comes. The letter is from Peter. I open it carefully. Peter writes, "Dear Mother, I am fine. The city is big. My job is hard, but good. I miss you. I will write again." I read the letter many times. I feel happy for a short time. I put the letter on the table. I write a letter back. I write, "Dear Peter, I am fine. The house is quiet. The flowers grow. Please come home soon." I send the letter. More days pass. Another letter comes. Then another. Peter writes about his work. He writes about the tall buildings. He writes about the busy streets. I write back every time. I tell him about the village. I tell him about the weather. I tell him I miss him. Then the letters stop. No letter for 1 week. No letter for 2 weeks. No letter for 1 month. I wait every day. I look at the door. I look at the road. No letter. No Peter. I feel more alone. The days become long. In the morning, I talk to myself. I say, "Good morning, Varia." No one answers. I cook soup. The soup is hot. I eat slowly. I leave food for Peter, but Peter does not come. At night, the house is dark. I light a small lamp. The light is soft. I sit in the chair. I remember old days.
I remember Peter as a small boy. He runs in the garden. He laughs. He holds my hand. He says, "Mother, look at the bird." Those days are gone. Seasons change. Summer is hot. The sun is strong. I sit under a tree. The tree gives shade. Leaves move in the wind. Autumn comes. Leaves fall. Red leaves. Yellow leaves. Brown leaves. I sweep the leaves. The ground is covered. Winter comes. Cold wind blows. Snow falls. White snow on the ground. White snow on the trees. The house feels colder. I put more wood in the fire. The fire is warm, but my heart feels cold. One cold day I become sick. My head hurts. My body is hot. I stay in bed. No one is here to help. I drink water alone. I eat bread alone. I think, Peter left me alone. Who will help me? A neighbor comes. Her name is Lisa. Lisa is kind.
Lisa is old too. She knocks on the door. Lisa says, "Maria, are you okay?" I say, "I am sick." Lisa comes in. She makes soup. She gives me the soup. She sits near my bed. Lisa says, "Where is Peter?" I say, "Peter is in the big city. He does not write now." Lisa says, "I am sorry. You are not alone. I am here." Lisa comes every day for 1 week. She helps me. She talks to me. I feel better. When I am well, I thank Lisa. I say, "Thank you, Lisa. You are a good friend." Lisa smiles. She says, "Friends help friends." Spring comes. Flowers grow again. Green leaves come on the trees. Birds sing loud. I go to the garden every day. I plant new seeds. I water the plants. One day, a small cat comes to my door. The cat is gray. The cat is thin. The cat looks hungry. I give the cat milk. The cat drinks. The cat stays. I name the cat Soft. Soft sits near me. Soft purrs. The purr is soft and nice. Soft sleeps on my bed. Soft walks with me in the garden. I am not fully alone now. Soft is here, but I still miss Peter. One afternoon, I sit outside. The sun is warm. Soft sits on my lap. I hear a sound. A bus comes on the road. The bus stops. A man gets out. The man has a bag. The man walks to my house. I look. My heart beats fast. It is Peter. Peter is taller. Peter looks older, but it is my son. Peter walks to me. He puts down the bag. He says, "Mother." I stand up. Soft jumps down. I open my arms. Peter hugs me. He says, "I am home." I say, "My son, you came back." We go inside the house. I make tea. We sit at the table. Peter says, "I am sorry, Mother. The city was hard. I worked long days. I was tired. I did not write. I felt bad. I missed you every day." I say, "I waited for you. The house was quiet. I felt alone." Peter looks at me. His eyes are wet. He says, "I will not leave you alone again. I found a job near the village. I come back to stay." I smile. I feel warm inside. Soft jumps on Peter's lap. Peter touches Soft. He says, "Who is this?" I say, "This is Soft. Soft stayed with me." Peter laughs a little. We cook dinner together. We eat together. We talk for a long time. Peter tells me about the city. Tall buildings, many cars, many people. He says the city is noisy. The village is quiet and good. I tell him about the seasons. I tell him about Lisa. I tell him about Soft. Peaceful. In the evening we sit in the garden. The sky turns pink. Stars come out. Peter says, I am home now. We are family again. I say, yes, you left me alone, but now you are here. Days pass. Peter works in a shop near the village. He comes home every evening. We cook, we eat, we talk. Lisa visits sometimes. She is happy for us. Soft plays in the garden. Soft sleeps near the fire in winter. The house is not quiet now. There are voices, there are steps, there is laughter. I still remember the days alone, the empty chair, the silent rooms, the long nights. But those days are past. Now my son is with me. We take care of each other. We share food. We share days. One morning, Peter says, grateful, Mother, thank you for waiting. I say, tender, you are my son. I always wait for you. We walk to the river together. Soft walks with us. The water is clear. Birds fly above. Happy. I feel happy. Family can leave. Family can come back. Alone days can end. Love can stay. The village is quiet and green. The house is warm. My son is home. Peaceful. I am not alone anymore.